Hello children, today I will tell you about the bird making in very easiest way. So the products are required in this video: pencil, rubber, eraser, jelly pen. If you don't have jelly pen then you can use sketch pen. But for it, first you subscribe my channel for all upcoming videos. Now first you make the drawings of bird with the help of pencil, but you first practice on rough paper. Make more and more practice in rough paper. Now I'm directly using marker because I have practiced a lot in rough paper. Now bird has lot of forms like flying birds and sitting birds and gliding birds. Some little birds are drawing in this art. This is sparrow art. Now the make the wings, eyes, big eyes. You can make butterfly, honeybee, etc. But do the practice in rough paper, then final it with the help of sketch pen or marker pen. Now we are drawing for heron. Heron is called bagula, जिसकी has long leg. Heron has long leg. Make it very easy. Always when you have free time, then practice it with any rough paper. But watch the video till the end again and again. Then you can learn it very perfectly. This drawing is for little children. I will tell you about the students of big classes. Now, student for big classes, how can you make the word in easiest form? This is the tail. Yeah, this is the tail of the bird. This is sitting bird. This is sitting bird. Now one more sitting bird. This is one more position of bird. Now flying bird. This bird is taking flight. This is also taking a flight. State flight bird. The bird is taking state flight. Watch the video very carefully. Now you can decor the bird. This drawing for kids or small children. Big children can also make this drawing. Now, how can we color and making good art in a full page? First, you drawing with the pencil. Now you can make the compositions of words and make the full painting. This drawing is for full painting. And overline with the help of marker or micronpen. Here I am using marker. This is very easily available. Composition of art must be correct. Now making nest, man-made nest. Now your drawing is about complete. Now we are coloring. First we will color with the jelly pen. You can use sketch pen and pencil color. If you don't have jelly pen, then you can use sketch pen, or you can also use highlighter. You can fill all the color with the help of watercolor too. It's your choice how you want to color in the painting. I have ordered this jelly color from Amazon. Now this is the final painting, but it is to I am going to highlight this painting with the jelly color. Highlight all the object or make the good design into the object. Now your painting is complete. These are some canvas painting made by me in which I included these words. Thank you for watching my video. This is Anupam Gupta from Creative Mania.